Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Translink account with your Go card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in translink.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Translink website. Now from the homepage, click on the ticketing option at the top left corner and you will see Go card. Click on this option and this will take you into the Go card page where you can either log in or register for a new Go card. In order to log into an existing one, just enter your Go card number within the given box. After entering your Go card number within the first box, type in your account password underneath that you have set up while registering for your account, and then click on the login button. After you click on login, you will be logged in to your Translink account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials using your phone number or your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Translink using Go card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.